Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be making the Baltimore Zoo. Now this drink is sort of a variation of the Long Island iced tea, so you could use a pint glass, a highball glass, or a hurricane glass. We're gonna use a hurricane glass today. First add a ½ ounce of vodka. Next add a ½ ounce of gin. Next add a ½ ounce of rum. Next add a ½ ounce of triple sec. Next add a ½ ounce of peach liqueur. Next add a ½ ounce of amaretto. Next add a ½ ounce of grenadine. Next add 2 ounces of sour mix. Now add ice. Now top with your favorite beer. We're going to use an IPA to bring out the citrus notes of the drink. Finally, garnish with a lemon wedge. And enjoy.